Hello, Discovery Flow readers. Welcome to Flow Space 101, Vocabulary Flow. Today, we will learn 10 meaningful words from Unit 18. Let's read, think, and grow together. Our first word is boast. To boast means to talk too proudly about yourself. It is good to feel proud, but remember to stay humble. Eloquent means able to speak clearly and effectively. An eloquent speaker shares strong ideas with clear words. Glisten means to shine softly with light. Morning dew can glisten on green grass after the rain.
Ideal means perfect or best for a purpose. What would your ideal pet or ideal day be like? Infectious means able to spread from one person to another. Germs can be infectious, but smiles and laughter can spread too. Invest means to put in money, time, or effort for the future. When you practice reading, you invest in yourself. Locate means to find where something is. Can you locate a special book in the library? Ripple means a small wave on water. A tiny pebble can make ripples spread across a pond. Sufficient means enough for what you need. Do you have sufficient time to finish your work? Uproar means noisy excitement or confusion. A surprise announcement can put a classroom in an uproar. Great job, Discovery Flow readers! Today we learned boast, eloquent, glisten, ideal, infectious, invest, locate, ripple, sufficient, and uproar. Which word will you use today? Thank you for learning with Flow Space 101. Please like and subscribe. Keep reading, keep thinking, and keep growing. One flow a day.